Hello friends, welcome to Learn Services. This is Ram Soni. Today we will talk about one of the most important topic, and that is your emotions. Actually, this is the problem with many of us. हमारे बहुत सारे लोगों की एक बहुत ही कॉमन प्रॉब्लम होती है. We are having the little problem with our emotions. जब भी हम कुछ नया काम करने जाते हैं, हमारे माइंड में एक स्केयर, एक डर सा होता है, और वो डर ये होता है कि what people will say. तो जितने भी हमारे एक्शंस होते हैं वी डोंट फील सो स्मूथ विद इट. एक्चुअली वी आर थिंकिंग अबाउट व्हाट अदर पीपल विल से. दिस इज द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम विद ऑल ऑफ अस. हर किसी के साथ में जेहन में एक जरूर प्रॉब्लम है. यदि आप एक स्पीकर बनना चाहते हैं तो आपके जेहन में रहता है इफ यू विल स्पीक फ्रॉम द स्टेज व्हाट पीपल विल से. कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कि लोग हंसना शुरू कर देंगे. हो सकता है आप स्टेज में जाएं, हो सकता है यू विल स्टार्ट टू स्टैमर, हो सकता है आपसे प्रॉपर्ली आवाज ना निकले, हो सकता है यू विल स्टार्ट टू से समथिंग एंड समथिंग एल्स विल कम आउट. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि जस्ट गो इन टू स्टेज, यू स्टार्ट टू पाउंड वेरी फास्ट, बहुत तेज से बजने लगता है, एंड यू जस्ट सी टू योर हार्ट दैट ओके जस्ट काम डाउन, बट योर हार्ट इज नॉट लिसनिंग टू यू. तो कई बार ये प्रॉब्लम होती है कि जस्ट गो इन टू स्टेज, यू डोंट स्पीक वॉट यू वॉन्टेड टू स्पीक. समटाइम्स बहुत सारे लोग तो सोच के रखे होते हैं कि हमें ये बोलना है, एंड दे फॉरगेट व्हाट दे वांट टू से. So you have one fear, that is biggest fear, कि what people will say. Let me tell you one thing. This is the most important thing I want to talk about. Ocean's emotion. यदि ओशन की बात करें तो ओशन के अंदर एक बहुत ही खूबसूरती होती है, बहुत ही बड़ी ब्रेवनेस होती है कि they are peaceful when they want. They become aggressive when they want. So ocean's emotion is not controlled. It's like uncontrolled. Whenever they want to go, they go. Whenever they want in peace, they are the peace. So I am saying this one thing, open up your emotions. Don't worry about what people will say. And the biggest thing what we say, if you want to go to the public, if you want to do something in your life, don't worry about the people. Why? Because obviously at the initial stage, you will not be perfect. It's completely fine. But if you will not start right now, then you will never get the growth in that area. So I am saying this one thing, just start from somewhere, slowly and slowly you will start to get better with the time. Just start from somewhere, don't worry about what people will say. Just let your emotions go. Let your emotions flow aside. You will definitely make big wonder. So I am saying this one thing, learn from the ocean's emotions. It will definitely make a big wonder in life. This is what I wanted to say today. You came over here, आप सभी लोग यहाँ पे इसलिए thanks so much. But I would want to say that let your emotions go, let your emotions flow. If you want to be a speaker, just come out there, speak your mind, whatever you're thinking about anything. If you want to think, if you want to say something about economy, कुछ इकोनॉमी के बारे में बोलना चाहते हैं, अर्थव्यवस्था के बारे में, just come out open and just speak publicly. Because I know that thing, you got the idea. Many times people have the idea, they don't share because they think that people will laugh at it. But sometimes that idea is having a big value. This is having such a tremendous value. Because let me tell you one thing. Many times you're thinking like, okay, I am having this idea and someone else is converting it after some time. So whenever you have idea, let it go, let it come, let it open the public. उसको create करें, उसको work करें. ये मत सोचिए कि दुनिया क्या कहेगी. Just forget about it. If you want to be YouTuber, just come out. Start YouTubing. If you want to entertain the people, just come out there, start to public. लोगों से interact करें. But I am saying this one thing, don't get scared. Don't worry about it. Let your emotions flow like it is happening with the ocean. Ocean's emotion. Learn about it. That's all about it. You came over here, thanks so much. But do not forget to hit the like button. And do not forget to share it with friends. And please subscribe to the channel. That's all. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.